Hello, dear traders. The analytical community is with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. If necessary, you can put it on stop. You can study all the corporation's indicators carefully. Now we will compare the company's key indicators with you. Globalstar Incorporated, ticker GSAT. The review was made using current data as of June 25, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets, company Globalstar Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Communication Satellite. 11 companies participate in the analysis. We will review the decisions made at the end of this video. The result for the company in question is minus 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the minus subcategory is 5.7 points. If you look at it broadly, within the framework of the US stock market in general. Note that the average rating for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the minus rating, 8.5 points for the company Globalstar Inc. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Globalstar Incorporated and subcategory shares. We will see that in 12 months, the shares Globalstar Incorporated showed a dynamics of 46.8%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 215.1%. Market capitalization of the company Globalstar Inc. amounts to $3.01 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $34 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.34 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $18 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Globalstar Incorporated in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 8.911%. The book value is 1.916%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $0.533 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization constitute 156% of the company's capital. Company debt rating, bad, minus 1 point. The ratio of the company's market price to its earnings is 0. Average in subcategory 0. Rating of stock price to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $78 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 11.9. Average for the subcategory is 1.5. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $250 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 30.7%, with an average for the subcategory of minus 6.5%. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 1.51%, which is 490% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $7,738,000. And in the subcategory, there are $1,311,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit volume per employee is minus $200,300, with an average in the subcategory of minus $56,900. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The organization's revenue per employee is $653,000. In the subcategory, $879,000. Evaluation of sales volume per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of transactions for sale is 4.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 19.1%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 73% for the company Globalstar Inc. For the subcategory, this level is 77%. The company's current stock valuation is around $23.77. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $52.49. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the evaluation information system, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the Securities Assessment Globalstar Inc. Reference System of Assessment GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Open the trade for sale at a price of $23.78 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly low valuation. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 12.65. Stop loss is set at 34.91. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically at the end of the session on July 25, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker GILT will become the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, basic or balancing, another order is fixed at the final price. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the help system from GURU.Markets.